Hey guys, my name is Isaac and today I'm going to be showing you how to grow one of these. This is a pineapple plant or Ananas comosus. And so all that this basically is where the pot is right now. That's where the fruit used to be. And up here is the growth that you would buy it with in the grocery store. And then the long ones up here is what has actually grown since we've planted it, since it's rooted. So it's super easy to grow. All that you're going to do is you're going to cut the top off like you would to prepare the fruit, but then instead of throwing it away, you just leave it to dry for 2 or 3 days. And so once it's dried out, you will just put it in some potting soil, some normal potting soil that's slightly moist, and you just basically stick the top in there so it doesn't topple over, but you don't want to bury it because it's going to rot. And you don't give it a lot of water while it's rooting, because the thing with these guys is while they don't have any roots, they're going to rot really easily. So just lay back on the water and give it a lot of light. I put mine even in some direct sun, like 2 or 3 hours per day while they're rooting still. And then eventually, as you see these new longer leaves starting to form, you can give it more light and more water. These guys do like a lot of sun, so once they've properly rooted like this one, you can have them in full sun and they're gonna grow a lot better under that. But in the colder climates like Switzerland, where I live, you just put them in a really warm windowsill and this can still gonna produce some good growth. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this and that you can try it out. See you around.